Hi everyone, it's mailbag time again. This is where I open up all the parcels that have been delivered throughout the previous month. I've got a few here and we've got a few other random ones to look at as well. Let's get into some of these. Start with this one. This feels like Amazon. Yep, Amazon. Pretty sure I know what's in this one. I can't always remember, but I think I know what's in here. Open this up. If you can hear that noise behind me, that's our tortoise. He will not be quiet whilst I'm filming. He's been relocated into this room. So what have we got in here? Oh, it's a shame, kind of a shame, the way they've put that sticker on there facing inwards. So these are transistors. Got both NPN type and PNP type. Just various different variety to have a play around with. I did have an idea for a project, but then I kind of abandoned it. But I thought I could probably just do with some general purpose transistors. So I'll just put them into stock for now. I'm sure we'll come up with a use for some of them. Might just do some experimentation with some, trying out the different characteristics. See if we can take some measurements. So that's a 200 piece transistor kit. I'll put the prices and the websites where I got everything from in the description as usual. This one is obviously from China. They usually come from AliExpress if they've come from China. Let's open this up. Oh, these actually should have been here last month. They've taken a while to get here. These are resistor arrays. I believe they're through-hole versions of resistor arrays. So I think the way they usually work is one of the legs, I believe, is a common. I believe that's the way they work. And then there's a resistor connected to each of the other legs back to the common. I will need to just check I'm correct in saying that. I don't know if we can see any values on there. I believe it says A103J, so I guess that's a 103. Would that be 10K? I don't like working them out on the camera because I usually get them wrong, but I think I ordered a few different values. What else have we got? So that was a 103. This is a 102. So maybe that's 10K and this is 1K. I don't know. You'll probably work it out quicker than me. I think that's 10 with 2 zeros. So that would be 1000. I think so. That's 1K. 102. And I'm guessing the last one's probably 470 ohm. They're the values I normally like. Let's have a look. So you say 471. So I'm guessing that's 470. Can't quite remember how you work those numbers out now. Is it 47 and 10? So it'll be 470, which is 470 ohms. So I believe we've got 10K, 1K and 470K. How many's in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 maybe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm guessing there's 10 in there. Probably 10 of each value. I thought they would come in handy for the 7-segment LED displays where you need 7 resistors. It would be quite neat rather than having the individual resistors, but yeah, we should see them in some future projects. What's next? This is an eBay parcel. Again, I think I know what's in here. I think we need these for our in move. They are from UK Tools. Yeah, from eBay. So, looks like they've used lots of tape on here. I don't know if I'll be able to get in here very easily. Ooh. It's not really working. Yes, it is. Oh, that tortoise. Really going to get on my nerves. Yeah, they don't want me to get in here, do they? There we go, I think we're in. So that is UK Tools and Fasteners. Quantity 10. So these are M8 Hex Head bolts. Not sure on the length. They look about 25mm. I was hoping they were longer actually. Yeah, M8 by 25. I think they're going to be too short. They're for the in-move stomach, but I don't think they're going to work. Anyway, we can put them in our stock of nuts and bolts. So next we've got the big one from Amazon. If you watch these mailbags quite a lot, you should know when we get a heavy parcel from Amazon what it is. I'm going to let George open this.
Right, everyone. A package came. What colour is it?
White.
Yep. No spare bag.
No spare bag this time.
Sad.
Okay, Yano white as usual. PLA 1.7mm, 1 kilo spool as we always order. Next day delivery, and it did come next day. Yep, so we'll be using that on the in-move. Now, although these didn't actually come through the mail, I thought I would include them in this mailbag video anyway, to show a little bit of a contrast against the sort of thing you can buy from a shop against the sort of thing you can buy online, such as from eBay. So I actually got these from B&Q, a local hardware store, and they actually offer this pick and mix service, which is what's in this bag. They do sell individual packets like this, but you're going to be paying a premium for these sort of things. They didn't actually have what I wanted. I wanted M8 by 35, and they had 30 and 40, but they didn't have the 35. So sometimes you do have to buy things online to get very specific sizes. So this bag, for a start, I think this cost £3.70. I didn't actually want the nuts. I only wanted the bolts. And I actually only needed 4, but you know, I would always order spares anyway for other projects. So if I wanted to buy 10 of these bolts on eBay, that would cost me about £2.80, something like that. So it's a little bit more expensive to buy them in the shops. And we're actually getting the nuts here, whereas I'd only get the bolts if I bought 10 of them on eBay. But this is what I like much better. This is much better value. The pick and mix service, basically the way it works is you choose your bag, you get an empty bag, they've got barcodes on the bag, so 3 different sizes. This was the medium size bag, so this bag costs £4.50, and then basically the way it works is you can fill up the bag with whatever you want. And the deal is you can put as much as you want as long as you can get the bag sealed. As long as you can do the seal up, you're within the rules. So I didn't push it right to the limit. I probably could have fit a little bit more in here, but I've gone pretty full with it. So £3.70 for this lot, or £4.50 for this lot, and we get a variety of different sizes, and we're obviously, you can see by the physical size here, we're getting much more value for our money. So I'm going to open this up and sort these out. So that's what we got in the small bag, 10 nuts and 10 bolts. And this is what we got in the pick and mix bag. There's around 60 bolts, over 100 nuts, and about 80 washers. So definitely better value to buy with the pick and mix. Although regardless of what you do, buying from a shop, you are limited on your choice of sizes. Okay, now this one is from Boltbase. I'm a little confused of what is in here, but I think it's probably going to lead to a fairly boring end to the video, because it seems like all we've had this month is bolts. What are these? Oh no, they're screws. Let's have a look in here. Yeah, there's a discount code there. Well, I'm pretty sure I tried that before and it didn't work, but it might work, who knows. 5% discount. So we seem to have, it says 4, 6, 8, 10 posi flat countersunk self-tapping screws. Number 8 by 1 inch, pack of 20. 2 packs here, isn't there? 4.2 by 25. It's number 8 by 1 inch. And 4.2 by 19. So they're both number 8 screws. They're basically 1/4 inch and 3/4 inch. Sorry, 1 inch and 3/4 of an inch. Okay, I think I just ordered them because I was getting a little bit fed up of not having a very good selection of countersunk screws. I'm not sure that I actually have a use for them now, because I think I've found something for the job I was working on. So we'll just put these into the stock. Okay, so that's about it for this month. So a quick recap. We started off with the 200 piece transistor kit. Then we went on to the through hole resistor arrays. Then we had the bolts here. I think these bolts came from eBay, 25mm bolts from eBay. Then we had the bolts from B&Q with the pick and mix bag that we had there. The Eono filament, and then finally the black countersunk screws. Wouldn't say it was terribly exciting this month, but that's just the way it goes sometimes. So we'll leave it there. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm probably not going to do too many more of these mailbags. We'll keep them going until the end of the year. They don't seem to be very popular videos, so if you do want to see the mailbags, you need to give the video a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will be stopping these at the end of the year. Thanks for watching. See you next time.